Hey everybody, and welcome to Solo Swing! In today's video, I'm really excited because we are going to be talking about solo swing patterns. So with that doesn't necessarily mean you can't do any of these with a partner. Of course you can dance with a partner, but I figured that now would be a great opportunity to focus on some patterns that you can do on your own, focus on your technique, your patterns, your posture, all of those things that make you a great dancer, whether you're with a partner or dancing on your own. So grab your partner, grab your shoes, and let's get dancing. First off, we have the twist. Twist is a very important element in your swing, especially when we look at different actions and changing your weight. Bounce is the second thing. Relax the knees. Don't be afraid to kind of jive with the music a little bit. Feel the music out. That's what makes this dance so much fun. To start off, we're going to begin with a rock step, a couple of little taps or kicks forward, and a rock. So 1 and 2 and step. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. This side with 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. So as you can probably notice, I have that little lift before I do my rock. 1 and kick and step. And I bring those hips with me. Rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Susie Qs are such a fun, jazzy step to add into your swing. To get you started, we're going to lift and then place the foot, relaxing through the knees. Step out to the side, relax knee again, and then cross. So again, we have 1 and weight on my left foot and cross. Relax the arms. Other side. Cross. Lift the toe. Cross. So my weight and my body is really twisting over that supporting forward leg. And my arms are coming across my body to not just help with balance, but that style. Don't be afraid to play with the arms and add in your own style to your swing. This is a similar pattern to your Charleston, but it crosses forward and side with a slide. So I thought it would be really fun to include it today. As you can see, there's a few varieties of this pattern as well. So here I'm demonstrating it with a kick and a bounce, and you can also do it without the bounce and just a tap. To break this down a little further, we're going to start with just rocking those hips and pointing the foot back and forth, just to get a feel for the movement, using those knees, relaxing through the bounce. You can relax the arms, have some fun with it. finish off this pattern, we have your slide. So we're going to open up the chest and reach the hands, placing that hip over our standing leg and flex the foot. Let's see what this looks like all together. So I'm using those legs, I'm using my bounce, letting the arms swing, getting my whole body involved, and just having a great time with the music. Finally, we have your triple swing basic. So we, again, really want to focus on that bounce, and we're using that pendulum swing that we see in all of our swing family dances. So using the hips, using our knees, our ankles, get the whole body involved. Breaking it down a little further, we've got your rock step and your 2 triple steps, rock step. 1, a 2, 2, a 2, rock step.
Let's get scratching.
Trying it out on the other side. So our other foot comes back and we're adding the 2 triples with that same foot behind. Triple step, rock step. 1, a 2, 2, a 2, rock step. Use the swing, swing, and swing, rock step. 1, a 2, 2, a 2, rock step. Let the body go, and rock step. Now you can go ahead and add that clockwise rotation just like the first side. So regardless of the foot that we are stepping back on or rocking on, it's always a clockwise rotation. Here we go with all of our patterns, and let's put it all together. Well done on completing the whole thing. Thanks for coming, and we'll see you next time. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had as much fun as I did working on your solo swing. And again, don't hesitate to use these with a partner as well. At some point I will do a tutorial maybe on how to do that with a partner. But yeah, I hope you have a great time. Have an awesome time practicing, and I hope you learned something new. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.